YouTube. F-150 update. It's not like a performance update this time. It's my voice is weird because I just got over being sick, but it's a light update. Getting tired of the old yellow looking, which they made the truck look farm truckish, but they were yellow. You couldn't see the road at night. They sucked. So I went with some, I guess you call them cheapos on Amazon. They were like less than $200 for the set. They didn't come with no bulbs. I'll show you how they got shipped to me because they weren't packaged very well at all. But they're not damaged, so I can't complain. But it was these right here. I don't know if that means anything to y'all, but it was straight off Amazon. This is literally how it came packed. This box. They're laid in these little cutouts, and this is just sitting on top of them. This is exactly how I opened the box up. Probably dark, you should be able to see that though. But this is exactly how they came out the box. This is the light. They're kind of a blacked out. Why am I showing you this one? I can show you the one in the car for the truck. They're blacked out. These are LEDs. They light up. Will I wire them in? Probably eventually, because I'm cool like that. But they're clear. The back layout is black. I wanted black because the truck's flat black, so I kind of wanted to not have too much shine. So, man, I hear some cats squabbling somewhere. This is what they look like. Comes straight out the package. They got 2 sets of LED wires for, they got 1 set of wires for these, 1 set of wires for these, so if you want to hook this up, you go ahead. I'll show you what they look like on the truck. The only thing I don't really like is, here's the factory, dingy yellow. How it has this chrome strip around it, and it kind of halfway fills up that gap. I guess it's not as bad now that I really look at it on camera, but the new one don't have any of this, which I kind of like because I want it to be kind of blacked out, but it leaves you with a little bit of a gap, but here's the other one installed. It just looks like there's more of a gap, which it really is. Maybe I could actually mask that off and paint this little lip right here black, and that would probably clear up some of that gap looking issue going on. But that's it installed. I put LEDs in both of them. This is an amber LED. This is a LED for the low and high beam side. I will show you the bulb. I guess I should have did it earlier. It's not going through this. You see how there's some tabs missing because I've already broke a couple trying to get to go through there. I'll show you why. I'm gonna get one of the other ones. It's supposed to be a quicker video than this, but oh well, it is what it is. These LEDs, if this is the wire is the issue. This wire right here, it's got a fan inside there, so I can see why they did it like that. But if that wire would have came out the back, or maybe this wasn't so big around, you'd be able to slide through there. But this, it won't happen. I mean, I tried and tried. I mean, literally flattening this wire out, trying to get it to go through there, and all I did was break a couple ears off this thing. So I'm about to figure out some other way to hold the bulb in the housing. It actually looks like, honestly, if I had a small enough like V-band, like a turbo V-band, exhaust pipe V-band, it would actually work good because, it's got that, I don't know why I keep walking back and forth, it's got that lip. A V-band would actually probably go around that, in that bulb and hold it in place. I'll think of something. That's not going to be a big deal. I'll figure something out to hold it in place. Or I'll just cut the, cut the actual retainer, slot it basically, and just use a zip tie to hold it on. I mean, that'll freaking work. It's just holding the bulb and it's not going nowhere. But I don't have the LEDs wired up. I do have bulbs in this one, so I can point at the garage wall right here and show you the difference before and after. When you pull the headlights on, because it's actually a pretty good difference. And I'm super excited to get this truck out at nighttime and drive it and see how it actually looks on the road. But it's bright in here, but you'll still see the difference. I'm gonna go ahead and kick them on. In Payal. I mean, huge difference. Little yellow beam, nice, intense. Probably gonna blind a few people. Beam over there, and that's low beams. That's not even high. If my foot was longer, I'd reach in the truck, kick it on high beam for you. But you know, high beam, it just look. I'll do it just because we ain't gonna talk about. We're actually gonna do it. So let me reach in here, kick it on high beam. Where's the switch? Where you at, switch? There it is. See, it's yeah. You ain't gonna drive with high beams on at nighttime. But man, that's the difference right there. That's gonna be cool. So that was my quick little update video. Haven't really brought the truck out and run it too much here lately. I did upgrade the fuel system. I don't know if I'll make a separate video about that because I had to pull all the stuff off so you can see it. I changed a few things up on that. I'll make a video about that coming up soon, but I just want to do a quick video on these before I do the other install. I want to do a video so you can see, you know, old halogen versus LED difference. Just in case you're thinking about doing it, you know, like I say, 200 bucks, I think it was, for both those lights. The LEDs, I think they were right around 50, 60 bucks, but man, look for something different with a different wire set up to where you can actually get it through there, because you're not getting that through there without breaking it. You know, maybe I can go to O'Reilly's and grab a, you know, one out of the help section where it's a little flexible. I might be able to do that. I might look tomorrow and see if they got one at the store. And then, but other than that, man, that's the video. That's, you know, hope you all enjoyed it. You know, hope it gives you all some fresh ideas if you all were thinking about these, you know, but you've never seen them on a truck. Well, now you have. So, appreciate y'all watching. You know, like, thumbs up, subscribe, comment. You got questions, I'll answer them. Until the next one, guys. See you later.